Thanks, Pete. We're heading out to the new zoo in Swamico this morning.
Neil Anderson joins us now. What's going on this week, Neil?
Hi, Neil.
Hey, good morning, guys. We're hanging out with the snow leopard today. And, we're just, as we're kind of getting things going this morning, one of the things at the zoo in the morning, one of the, the keepers and their routine, which is real important that we have a number of, obviously, safety protocols in place. But one of the things in the morning that'll happen is the zookeepers will, they'll come in the morning, they'll go over their reports, they'll check to make sure, if they weren't in the day before or if there was any other notes that were in the reports, they'll check out. And then there's always two zookeepers that come in to start the shift. And you know why that is? It's because what happens is what we end up doing is a zoo clear. Now, they'll go ahead and they'll check their radios. They'll have a radio on. So any of us that are in the zoo in the morning, we're going to have that radio on. But before the zoo is open, even to other staff, what the zookeepers will do is they'll be in communication, which they just did, and one will come through the gate and the other one will as well. And they'll go through the zoo and they're going to check on all the animals. They're going to take a quick check. And they're going to check on also, like you see over here, we got the lions. They're going to check the exhibit, the habitats to make sure everything looks good, everything's safe. There's nothing, that is unusual.
That everybody's in their place?
Yep, absolutely. So what they're going to do is they're going to check on, especially the high-risk animals. Now, they'll come in and actually Logan, one of the zookeepers, he was just here, and he went in by the snow leopards. And what he'll do is he's going to go ahead and make a call that he is at the snow leopards. So he's going to tell the other keeper, I'm at the snow leopards, and they have to go ahead and respond. It's okay. And then when he leaves the snow leopards, he's going to also make another call and just say, I'm leaving the snow leopard. And then that has to be acknowledged as well. So what we make sure that any time a keeper is going into a high-risk area, especially when it has to do with our large cats, that in fact they're in communication, and they cannot go in to any of those habitats or those buildings unless they have that communication. But then in the morning, right now, when they had the zoo clear, there's actually a sign on the back gate that will go ahead and say the zoo is clear. So when other staff come in the morning, especially administrative staff and other staff, they'll go ahead, they'll look at that gate, and if it says the zoo is clear, it is clear for them to come into the zoo. So
time to get the day started then.
We've got we have that safety code. That happens every morning, like I said before, the zoo opens, and that's to let really anybody in, both internal and external people.
Huh. Never realized how much went into that.
Gotta stay safe too.
Thanks, Neil. We'll check back with you next hour.
Thanks, Neil.